number 3. Find the area of a triangle with a height of 5 feet and a base of 11 feet. Magdodrawing muna tayo ng triangle. Ang height natin ay 5 feet. Ang base natin ay 11 feet. Ang formula ng triangle natin ay A equals base height divided by 2. 11 feet open and close parenthesis, 5 feet open and close parenthesis, divided by 2. Ngayon, pagka-times din natin si 11 feet at saka si 5 feet. 11 times 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. Equals 55 feet. 55 feet squared divided by 2. 55 divided by 2. 2 divided 5 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Bring down 5. 2 divide 15 equals 7. 2 times 7 equals 14. 14 minus 5 equals 1. 0.0. 2 divide 10 equals 5. 10 minus 10 equals 0. Ang sagot natin ay 27.5 feet squared.